Learn how to make money online. In today's times, you are no longer stuck making money by slaving away in someone else's office for hours on end with few vacation or sick days. You now have the ability to make money online and on your own terms. The great news is that this video will help get you started. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. Research what others are doing online to make money. There are so many ways to earn an online income these days. Take some time to see how the most successful people are doing it. You may discover ways of generating an income that you never thought of before. Keep a journal so that you remember them all as you move along. As you can see, there is a host of money-making opportunities waiting for you online. Whether you have a degree or not, there is opportunity for you to make money with the help of your computer. You will really enjoy making a full or passive income thanks to the opportunities out there waiting for you. Student loan.